Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Red Dead Redemption 2 error code 0x99200000. As per our research, the error seems to block access to Red Dead Online, and it may be related to connection issues, pending updates, or Rockstar server problems. First, keep restarting your game. Some users shared that after a few tries, the game started working normally. If the error still comes, check if the game or the launcher needs any updates. If there's an update pending, install it and try again. If everything is up to date but the error still appears, try switching to a different network. You can connect over an alternate Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot and check for the error again. At last, if nothing helps, visit support.rockstargames.com/service status and check if Rockstar services are currently down. If they are, you'll need to wait until the services are back online. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.